almost 64% of all the content is consumed on mobile. And the ratio 9:16 is the new king of the content, especially when you scroll on mobile. It sets the standard. Sorry, Bob, I'll mute you because there's some background noise. You can unmute you afterwards. Thank you. So for seamless user experience on the mobile, the scroll sets the standard for the technical optimization on mobile. There are some key factors that can define the strategy of the content. You should center, you see, on the focus. Alex Johnson, that is a random name. It's written exactly in the middle of the center of the screen. The vertical format of the content is related strongly with the page speed because the optimization on page is linked to the how people scroll, how fast, how their attention span is much shorter on mobile. That is setting some very important requirements for page optimization linked to the Search Console and requirements of Google. It's only 1 to 3 seconds to grab the attention of the viewer on a mobile device. That should include both captions and design first, mobile first content. Of course, these numbers that are the resources from the Stats Counter Global Statistics from the middle of 2025. And they also include the fact that the consumption of the content on computers is still significant for work. But we tend to move from mobile simultaneously on the go, complete tasks that are related to our work. That's why the vertical format of the content is a must. And one recommendation would be to split. For example, there are some strategies and tips to split the screen and to enhance the user experience. This is for e-commerce, important for engagement, etc.